Toyota Sequoia. Start the start. Check engine. USK model. Camshaft position sensor. So let's check. Nabali lang yung ano niya, yung dating repair na. So itong problema niya kaya ayaw mag-andar, nag-crank lang. So ihinan ko lang to. Remove. Change this one. Now it's done. Okay. Start. Alright. Done. So start already. And no more check engine. So let's check also here. No more port code. Okay. Let's try one more. Alright. So that's it. Okay na. So yun lang lagi problema niya. Yung naputol yung connection sa may camshaft sensor niya kaya ayaw mag-start. Pero doon lang, tapos yung check engine niya yun yung camshaft position sensor yun yung nabalik sa harap. So ito yun. Kaya ayaw mag-adar kanina. So okay na.